Look at this absolute beast rolling onto your screen. This isn't your average, run-of-the-mill work truck. MG has officially rewritten the rules of the dual cab market by unleashing the jaw-dropping MG U9 Black Edition. While the standard U9 has already sent shockwaves through the industry with its premium SUV-like refinement, the newly revealed Black Edition takes the entire package and dips it into pure, unadulterated visual hostility. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and today we are breaking down the exact technical metrics that separate this blacked-out titan from the crowd. The MG U9 architecture introduces a highly strategic challenge to midsize heavyweights like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux. But the Black Edition takes it a step further, transforming a rugged commercial utility asset into an elite, stealthy street weapon. For car enthusiasts who want brutal road presence paired with high-end mechanical capability, this machine completely shifts the paradigm. Let's track the precise data on what makes this edition so wildly unique. When you line up the Black Edition right next to a standard MG U9, the visual transformation is immediately striking. The standard truck features a heavy dose of traditional chrome trim and standard silver alloy wheels on its 5.5-meter body. But the Black Edition completely eradicates that shiny, conservative look. Every single piece of chrome has been thoroughly deleted and replaced with a dark, aggressive palette. Up front, the massive signature grille is finished in a high-gloss piano black, flanked by deeply tinted LED headlight housings that give it a predatory, low-visibility stealth fighter aesthetic. Moving down the side profile, the fender arches, door handles, and side mirrors are entirely blacked out, flowing perfectly down to a set of massive, variant-exclusive dark alloy wheels wrapped in rugged, high sidewall terrain tires. It completely sheds the utility tool vibe, inheriting the visual soul of a premium, custom-tuned lifestyle truck straight from the factory floor. Step inside the cockpit, where off-road software makes standard trucks look like analog relics. When you hit the trails, the system transitions into a live telemetry hub. The ultimate tool here is the standard transparent chassis camera system, which projects a real-time view of exactly what is passing beneath the vehicle's floorboards to help you dodge sharp obstacles. Furthermore, an advanced ultrasonic weighting sensor continuously reads live water depth during river crossings to ensure you never swamp the engine intake. This truck completely destroys the rough-riding commercial pickup stereotype. Instead of stiff, ancient leaf springs, the MG U9 deploys a sophisticated, fully independent multi-link rear suspension. This smooths out harsh vibrations, delivering the plush cabin comfort of a luxury SUV. Underneath that blacked-out hood sits a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine, pumping out a stout 160 kilowatts and a massive 520 newton-meters of torque through a ZF 8-speed automatic. What truly sets it apart is its 3-lock 4WD configuration, pairing electronic control with actual front and rear differential locks to maximize mechanical traction across the absolute worst terrain on Earth. So, let's deliver the ultimate tactical verdict. Who should actively pass on a standard utility vehicle and park this blacked-out weapon in their driveway? The MG U9 Black Edition is a brilliantly engineered statement built for lifestyle adventurers and modern enthusiasts who demand full-scale utility but aggressively reject the bland, commercial styling of typical fleet trucks. It is an absolute goldmine for tech-forward buyers who want the daily driving manners and premium audio of a family SUV, combined with the game-changing flexibility of that 2.4-meter smart hatch pass-through system. By matching a brutal factory visual overhaul with independent multi-link ride comfort and hardcore triple-locking differential mechanics, MG has officially proven that a heavy-duty pickup can look hyper-premium while remaining an absolute monster off the beaten path. Silently smash that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the global automotive curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.